Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Crestview, local and long-distance movers near me. We offer plenty of options when you need a long-distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When you're ready to relocate, we have the right long-distance moving services you need. Our team will make sure you get a stress-free move. Let us show you how your relocation can be easier. Hiring the right Kentucky moving company for your local move might provide plenty of benefits. Of course, you'll save time and energy by letting professionals handle your move. You'll also avoid injury or damaged items from doing the moving yourself. 3 Movers will take over your move and keep you from having to recruit friends and family to help. Our team of movers will help give you the right options to make your local move super easy. A move that might take you all weekend to complete, we can do in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Crestview moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.